Artificial intelligence is changing the game, boosting productivity and sparking creativity. But could it also dull your mind? Here's how to use AI smartly while keeping your brain sharp. Overusing AI can lead to cognitive debt, weakening memory and critical thinking. Relying on AI for everything can erode your mental skills, like outsourcing your brain to a machine. Make AI your collaborator, not your crutch. Start tasks yourself, brainstorm or problem solve, before using AI to enhance your work. Challenge AI outputs to sharpen your reasoning. Create AI-free zones in your day, read, solve puzzles, or journal without tech to keep your brain active. Balance is key. Use AI to support your goals, like analyzing fitness data, but always verify with your own judgment. Rotate between AI-assisted and independent tasks to stay adaptable. AI is a powerful tool, but your mind is the real game changer. Use it intentionally, set boundaries, and keep your brain sharp. Master AI, master your mind.